All right, Tuesday morning, we're back at it. Holiday's over. Markets trading higher. Last full day for President Trump in office as we begin this transition over to our new president, Joe Biden, which happens tomorrow, so it's inauguration week. Another big event today is the new incoming Treasury Secretary, Janet Yellen, testifying before Congress, looking to get that nomination through. Will be interesting to see what comes from her talk with regards to foreign exchange policy, as well as getting out in front of this pandemic, any additional stimulus, like this $1.9 trillion stimulus plan that President-elect Biden talked about last week. So big event happening today. I believe that talk kicks off at 10 a.m. Eastern time. Outside of that, with the equity markets, we're in the midst of earnings. Big banks reporting. Bank of America reported this morning, JP Morgan yesterday. We have Goldman Sachs this morning. We also have Netflix after hours. So we're right in the thick of it with earnings. Expect to see some volatility in these equity markets, both during market hours as well as in the after market hours. No better place to be than Nadex trading those after hour markets. So with that said, again, we're kicking off a new week. Hope everybody had a great vacation yesterday. If you had a vacation, let's get after it. I'll check in with you folks again tomorrow. Bye-bye.